was one of a pair that went new to wards of Carrington in Lincolnshire. It's been in the Fleer family for over sort of 40 years now. Been a regular attendant at rallies round here, as its mate here, that went new to Lord Rayleigh's estate. Right, so here we go for the second demonstration of steam power. It's virtually no effort at all to pull this, and you're going to be looking at sort of 20 ton plus coming across the arena here. Now Patrick's trying to stop it from being pulled across the arena, but it's I don't think it's going to happen.